This is lesson number 2 for Taste of Hebrew, learning Hebrew from scratch. In this lesson we'll be covering 2 more letters, the Gimel and the Dalet, as well as 1 more vowel point, which will be the Patach. The 3rd letter of the Aleph Beit is the Gimel. If you notice, it has 2 little legs on the bottom and a head pointing towards the left, like a person running from right to left. The Gimel. The 4th letter of the Aleph Beit is the Dalet. It's very important to notice that the Dalet has a tail on the top. The word Dalet ends in T, and the Dalet has a tail. There's another letter that looks very similar to it that'll be easily confused. The Dalet. Now for a review of the letters we've learned so far, from right to left. The Aleph, the Veit, if it has a dot in the middle, it will be a Beit. Gimel, and Dalet. Aleph, Beit, Gimel, Dalet. Now it's your turn. Read the letters from right to left. They're Aleph, Beit, Veit, Gimel, Dalet. Aleph, Beit, Veit, Gimel, Dalet. This is just a review from the last lesson, adding the kamats underneath the little T from Shomo, Shoma, Shomesh, Shomi, Shomu. It has the ah sound, ah, ba, va, ga, da. Once again, from right to left, ah, ba, va, ga, da. The next vowel point is the Patach, which has the same sound as the Chametz. If you notice, the name of the vowel point also has the sound of the vowel point in it. This is the ah in Patach, and the ah in Chametz from Shomo, Shoma, Shomesh, Shomi, Shomu. We'll show the vowel point in the next slide. The Patach looks like a little line underneath the letter. Has a sound ah. Same sound as the Chametz has ah. On the top line we have the Chametz, on the bottom line the Patach. Both the vowel points have the same sound, the ma, ah. Ah, ba, va, ga, da. Now the bottom line, ah, ba, va, ga, da. And now it's your turn. Later on, when we get to the Tanakh, I'll be asking you to read the letters and before sounding them out. So this will be a demonstration of how that will be done. First, I'll read the letters without the sound. Aleph, Beit, Aleph, Gimel, Dalet, Veit, Dalet, Aleph, Veit, Aleph, Aleph, Veit. And once you get to knowing all the letters, we'll do some practice with that until you get real familiar with them and can sound them out pretty easily. Now I've added some longer words here, and it's just one letter at a time, starting with the first word on the top to the right. Remember, the Aleph has no sound. Ah, ba, Abba, Ga, dav, gadav, da, va, dava, av. One more time. A, ba, ga, dav, da, va, av. Go ahead and stop the video and take as long as you need to sound them out slowly and say the words a few times. They're not actual words that have meanings, but they're just practicing sounding out syllables. Read each letter as it scrolls to the top, trying to pronounce it before it reaches the top of the screen. This completes Lesson 2. I recommend you review the video once again so that you get the pronunciations of the letters down correctly. There's a tendency to want to forge ahead and continue to the next video, but time spent going slowly here will allow you to progress further later on.